Check, check. Are we live? Oh, we're on.
How do you get your family to eat broccoli? If you clicked on this video, it means you're already fighting the good fight for healthy eating in your home. You've accepted the challenge, so don't back down now. After all, broccoli isn't the enemy. It's the hero your body deserves.
Let's win this battle together.
Broccoli is basically nature's multivitamin. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Want stronger immunity, better digestion, a healthier heart? Broccoli's got you covered. It's like the superhero of vegetables.
Thank you. I'm always ready to save the day.
So then, how do you actually get broccoli onto your family's plate? Lead by example. You can't teach healthy eating if you don't practice it yourself. Enjoy broccoli a few times a week and praise its taste, but don't push too hard. Nobody likes pressure. It's like convincing someone to love Mondays.
Hate Mondays.
Get creative with broccoli. Steam it, roast it, toss it into a salad. Serve it fresh and in small portions. That way, if your family isn't convinced, you won't waste food. But if they love it, you can always make more. Not sure what to cook? Here are some ideas that might just surprise you. Try a cheesy broccoli casserole. Let's be honest. Cheese can make any veggie taste better, right? Toss some broccoli on a pizza. Everyone loves pizza. I mean, who doesn't? And where there's pizza, there's pasta. Broccoli and chicken pasta? Now that sounds like dinner. Pairing broccoli with meat? A delicious idea. It even works great with seafood dishes. Seriously, broccoli goes with everything. And hey, if the battle is tough, there are always supplements. Think of them as backup troops. Just be smart. Check for allergies and talk to your family doctor before adding them to the mix. If you have kids, sometimes it takes a bit of imagination. Try fun cartoons, books, and comics. On our channel, we've got some hilarious animated shorts about veggies. Start with broccoli versus lemon. It might just win them over. Good luck in your healthy food battles.
And may the vitamins be with you.
Don't forget to subscribe.